So I'm going to be giving a tip on how to do a hard reset, factory reset on the Nintendo Switch OLED. So unfortunately, there is no way to do a hard reset. So if your Switch ever has a frozen screen or stops working, all you can do is hold down on the power button for anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds, and then it should let you restart your Switch. Now, after you are done holding, you just want to turn it back on, and then I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on this console. Now, it does take a couple of steps, and be aware that if you erase everything, there's not going to be a way to get it back. So if you go ahead with this, just remember that. Now, all you got to do is go into your settings, then you want to scroll down all the way to where it says System. Should be the last option. Okay, then you want to scroll over and go all the way down. Okay, and this next section is going to have some reset options. But what we want to do here is format this console. So choose that, go all the way down, tap Next, and it's going to refresh for you, and this is going to give you the option to factory reset your Switch OLED. Now, like I said, if you hit it, just be aware it's going to erase everything, so all your information, but you'll be good to go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Tap that like button, subscribe to the channel for more on the Switch, and we'll see you on the next video.